Meaning of inconsiderable.
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 Inconsiderable. The word inconsiderable means something that is not significant or important, usually in terms of size, amount or value. It refers to something that is small or negligible, and does not have a noteworthy impact or influence. For example, an inconsiderable amount of rain may fall during a drought, which would not be enough to alleviate the situation. In summary, when something is described as inconsiderable, it means that it is insignificant, unimportant, or hardly noticeable due to its small size or lack of impact.